Hi everyone, it's Chelsea and welcome back to the White Markets YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the White Markets 6-in-1 Body Slimming and Cavitation Machine. Now, this device is going to help you to reduce those body fat deposits that we may not be able to get rid of by exercising alone. And what I love about this product is that it allows us to focus on those areas of our body that we really want to just make sure we get toned over other areas. So upon opening our beautiful packaging we have right here, we first receive our instruction manual that will tell you every single thing you need to know about each of the functions. Then we have these gloves that work with the EMS function. We have these pads right here that work with the EMS function as well, our power adapter, and last but not least, our device itself. The package also comes with these little goggles right here to protect your eyes from any of the LED lights, so if you're using the product on your face. So now that we've seen what we get inside of our package, we're going to go through each of the 6 different modes and what they do, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use them. So here we have our device, and the red button at the top is the power button. Then moving from bottom to top, we have ultrasonic, positive ion, negative ion, LED, and our EMS function. When we turn the device to the side, we are going to see all of the different EMS modes. And then on the other side of the device, we have the adjustment for the EMS intensity. First up, we have our ultrasonic mode. This mode uses ultrasonic vibrations that actually form bubbles around the fat deposits, and when those bubbles burst, they break down the fat molecules as well. It's recommended to be used on your arms, your abdomen, your waist area, hips, legs, and butt as well. When using this product on your arm, you can go ahead and move it in an upward direction, or you can also do it in circular motions on your underarm area. And this is going to help to slim the area as well as shape it and help to reduce fat from that area. And when using the products on your abdomen or waist area, you can go ahead and do circular motions clockwise or anti-clockwise and downwards from your waist towards your navel. This is going to help to tighten the body skin and remove body cellulite, as well as, of course, help to remove fat in the area. I also wanted to mention that when using the ultrasonic mode, you won't really feel the vibrations, but this is just an example for you guys. I put some water on the device so you can see how the water is vibrating, although we can't really feel it. It will get a bit warm and you may feel the vibration at certain points that are more sensitive in your body, but just know that it is working. Next up, we have our positive ion mode. The positive ion or lead-in function helps more nutrients to reach deep into the skin and help the skin cells to fully absorb them. So here I'm just using this function of the device to help my moisturizer that I use at night to be fully absorbed into my skin so that I can have glowing results the next day. And something cool to note is that you can also use the LED functions as well as the ultrasonic mode with the lead-in and lead-out function on this device. So you can use them simultaneously to have the best results ever. Now we're going to look at our negative ion mode. The negative ion or lead out function should be matched with your cleaning product, and this can help to deep clean the skin by absorbing residual cosmetics metal ions that are left in the skin after cleansing. Next, we have our LED mode, and this consists of the blue light and red light function. The red light function helps with anti-aging by tightening the pores, diluting dark spots on the skin, as well as helping to activate cells, promote metabolism of the skin, and also promoting blood circulation and proliferation of collagen. On the other hand, the blue light therapy is for acne prevention. So it helps to prevent the bacteria growth of acne, it avoids skin inflammation, which is great, and also helps to avoid having scars being left on your skin from acne. Here I use it on my chest because I want to avoid getting acne on my chest. And last but not least, let's have a look at our EMS function. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the EMS function does work with the gloves as well as these sticky pads. And a good thing is that the instruction manual does give you some insight on different areas you can use the sticky pads, and it gives you some insight on areas you can use the gloves as well, which would pretty much be everywhere. Now, the way the EMS function works is it gives off microelectric currents that force your muscles to work and contract and exercise. And in doing so, it is going to consume all of that surrounding fat, sugars, and carbohydrates and help you to tone up those areas. This is something super easy you can use and implement into your routine, but I must warn you guys, when you are using the EMS function, do not touch the device because you will be shocked. Now we move on to the gloves, and the gloves do work the same way. It's just that the electric pulses are going to be coming through the gloves themselves now when you wear them, instead of coming through the sticky pads that you put on a certain area. It's really important that you put them on the first level and make sure you're comfortable before you go ahead and set it to a higher level and hurt yourself. It is not too painful, but it's something certainly unexpected, but it's not something that's going to make you cry and scream in pain. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope I was thorough enough that I was able to answer any of the questions that may have popped into your minds as the video was playing. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and click the link below or send the White Market a message to order your product today and get started on those areas that we want to tone up on our body. And we're going to see you guys in our next video. Bye!